Okay, so as per Ford, I have this riveted on in the way that they call for it in the repair procedure. In my opinion, this is a joke. It used to be back in the day, you didn't rivet anything. Riveting it was the Jippo way to do it that a guy didn't know how to weld. And now, as per repair order via Ford, it's rivet and glue. It makes for an easy repair, no weld burn damage on the backside of anything. Just a lot less cleanup work after the panel's been welded in the two spots that it gets welded. So the painters like it more like this, but I don't necessarily like it. So, but I guess if I had ever had to replace this panel again, it'd be much easier to take this off than it would be to take off a panel that I spot welded on and had to plug weld on. Just drilling out rivets and burning glue out. So, be pretty simple. If you guys have any questions on anything about this repair, feel free to leave a comment and I'll answer them promptly. Thanks. Bye.